Oh, hey everybody, it's Gazzi. You come back to Gazzi's ABCs. Great. Okay, today we're going to be doing the letter I. Can you say I with me? Ready? I. Good job, guys. Okay, so first of all, let's make the letter I with our bodies. Are you ready? Yeah. What we do first is open our legs, or our feet, like this, so they make the bottom. And then we've got all of our body coming up like this, and then we'll put our arms above our heads, like this. Look, I'm an I. Can you do this too? Yeah, good job. Now, what yummy thing begins with the letter I? That's right, an ice cream. Now, an ice cream is an irregular word because ice cream sounds like it begins with the letter I. Ice cream. But other words don't do that. So we've got igloo, iguana. They begin with the letter I, but they're I. But today we're doing ice cream because it's so yummy. So let's go. I. And we're going to do the same sound as the I for the normal words. I. Now, ice cream. I love ice cream. What flavour ice cream do you like? I like strawberry ice cream. So, when the ice cream man gets my cone, he pours my ice cream. So we're going to go ice cream, ice cream. And as soon as the ice cream man gives me your ice cream, I lick my ice cream. So that's all we're doing. We're going to go I. Ice cream, ice cream. Lick my ice cream. Okay, let's do it all together now, guys. Are you ready? Yeah, let's go. 3, 2, 1. I. Ice cream, ice cream. Lick my ice cream. Good job, guys. I'll see you next time on Gazzi's ABCs. Bye.